Batisi TV. Kabul, ka machine ka balas snacker pang ka ba kamskem, kamstet, kamklan, bat maduna bam umpnya.
Northeastern Hills University Student Union ni ke nehu kumjuk ru ba khasi Student Union nehu unit kila thosh menteri ke tanat pulih putih jong sarkar pedeng ban penpau ke jing persya jongki ya ke jing thmu ban pelong ke jing alang ba shispa khnai pulai jong ke executive council jong nehu hanong ba Delhi ya ka ban penya du vice chancellor professor PS Shukla Kelakaran Syah bekim don AA ban persya ke executive council hendra ke jing persya ka dei bo penya professor Shukla bat bagi temu ban pelong ru shaba jong ke nihu campus nomor bakini ki atli ki mat kilong da khongpong ki kular jong ke sarkar ki samla puli ya ka belasa khilang de gi hikai ki bedan hapok shatri jong ke nihu teachers association klapen kan mauru bayu professor Shukla lapen menakom u persona non grata da kamolai taun dorbar kan nihu su kan nihu ta kan nihunsa bat ki wepat ki kinhon kumta kan nukuno karai Bashim haka jingalang berpenyat dan muu kolong bian beromde ben itho nama budi ubri bladu jingshania. Ya kani kashiti la soy do president but general secretary kani husu kumju uru do president but general secretary jong ke KSU ni hu unit balap hak kopi chu umidi ramba ka jelau konrak ke sangma chu menteri ke tanat pulih putih ke jelau balak men remboi chu ulat ke jela chu secretary ke tanat higher education jong ke sarkar India but chu provisi kani hu Hadim rapha ya ke jing tho ki samla puli ke hu ke lu menta ka ski ban pelong de ke jing ki ban persya hlo kani ke jo kamat
Whether we need to fix water, come protest. Whether we need to fix toilet, come protest. Whether we want good food, come protest. Is this the way that a central university should function? We are here because we want to address to all the Kami berkesimpulan belum langkah ketiga kita berbeda kei bagi kekisi di unit angkat kali musuh dilayang macam orang duduk Islam beradat sementara kali sampai terekam beradat kekisi di unit angkat kali musuh ajar absan dilakukan orang di syatan kepala kenjok seluruh rius ni kenti nilai ini ya kei kajing ya bagi kiki jungi kan sulung ke bersaiso duduk pasang duduk kali khidmat kepada Kaya kalau semua luar kalau apa, nak kalian jom promisi, Profesor Romdor, uang kuno ini, benar betul sini bagi pakang yang kaya ini, uang maluhi ubah cuma ini bah, kang lo yang kaya ini, nama tak, ban kang sindan yang jing, ya cepat jom kita kaya eksekutif komiti buat tolong apa tadi, apa kejilau jom Profesor suka, ini kalau semua luar kalau kita, mending kajian biar ni, ini nak kalian student union, niyo, yang kasih ti, now Profesor Romdor bah. Semua haplino ya KEB. Kai kala kejingbut, kejing pakang. Kedai no Profesor Ndor, kedai kejing haplino kedai no Profesor Ndor. Hato umdeng bomle politik. Hato umdeng bomle kamkai umbut bangi ini tangki kena kai. Ini ki kena pule. Ngimdai bangi chale politik hakini kinong kai kibadon ya kata kabor kabakin kesobha yang kita gibriu ki bahalor kibaki kisno bacin yo ya ta promotion hakisni ki banwan reng isku tho chai ban isku tho khamba ba ka school ba jongi kamdei ki jileka jongno reng ka dei ka hok ban kanong kati jong ki samla ki pule hakeng school ba hi barok hoy ne unong yaska unong ko ki para samla ki pule reng school ba Hingga jangan satai mengimpai kei kebangi kalian roseng kei curangkan kaliusu badringkan kesing snop tilang jopi iwai pa iwai bangingat skam bahkan yang kenting meminta yang rak bagi kita kibriu yang kita baju sim kabu baju pelong yang ikut kisamla pule tanggung kijingileka joki yang kim kain step yang kei kebangi nak kalian joki samla pule ke bahkan yang skol ba nyisam banyetengko yang singe nak kapor cakapor bad kajing snopsing kalong ba Nakaliam jom Profesor Ndor ringkat usuka nakapor kirang bag school ba nihu kaduna yang kata bisa lani kalpon bat kimla ban pembiang wat di surok di street light wat kejing ban pembiang ban haru yang hostel mereka berskosi kalau menong ba kumdo kami nai kata phone ban phai kita ki isi member begin lek support dari ban isi menta ki isi member ka ban clear ko sukla isno menong ba kata ba bisa kami ka ba ka phone chung ni hu hato kami ka phone chung ni hu ka bisa ka ni chung ni hu ba kum juru sagawai ka masno si kalong ba wat di jingile kai ko jingile kai cricket ka ba kisamla puling sno ki pani ki sno tanal ani ta interest ko yo ka tim longwai ki kwa ni le kai la bat pendono nomor bam don yang ta bisa ko ba kiong mereka bisa ka ba kili pulut na ta ka jingile ki simta sepo nomba delhi yang ta ki student committee ka ba clear ko profesor sukla hakre khasotri ka sin hojeng banwan nei ki yo ya ta bisa la ka dei ka bisa jong ni hu hato ka dei bisa jong ni hu Kamteng kapsa jong ki samla pule ki ba don yang hok ban yo akan sekolah ban yu kumtang isu banong ba ni don hok ban ni kwai hok ban ni ban kelam si don yang jadi priong ni melai don bor yang sekolah ba jong ni mai ni ni le dapat ke jadi satlan ke jong ni jadi cak stong ke jong ni hak jadi si ki beladap kenal ban bedai kalau bedai ban logam kai jadi cak stong ke jing stong ke ban ila cha ban hak ini kisnap ni beladap jadi si beladap nhìn wara yang so trong nhìn job ban nhìn tay cái điều cắt tôm cắt ban yang ban cắt tôm cái chính bèo ban cắt điều kan yo yang hok ban ban samla pule apa sekolah ban điều kan yo yang kata cái chính pule cái ban yang cắt tôm kan kinti kementar ban komjuru kena juga sekolah ban komjuru ke sekolah điều kan kêu atlet cajong ban kan yer kador ban kiwai Deki Central University kibar Sarkar India ka om dei ba kan yu kan dei kata ka kol ba kala ni kata jingsa le ben hajra kibriu kibawan ke bor balor bikin khai kibriu bikin taj hakan skol ba ka jongi
the unity and strength of the student. So thank you so much for coming here. And as you've said by the our General Secretary, President, and also the President of the PSU Nehu unit, and I think you know very well what the issue is. And some of you have also mentioned by the General Secretary that you have mentioned about the exams, the mark sheet, and all that which are related with academics. You all know very well what that mark sheet will do and what has value in it. And I've said that it has no value if the ranking of the university is very low. And why that happens so? You can see very well that in this past few months that has the previous NEHUSU has been under the acting VC of the Professor Suha. You know very well that there has been a lot of development, if you can see everywhere around us. And you can see also the road has been constructed, but that too you can see very well it only is constructed only halfway. And it's very saddening to see that this Central University, which has a which is a pretty prestigious university, it has ranked so low that you have to fill the road with cement. It has been degraded so low, and that too, the fees that have been the hostel fees, and then the fees, the school, the semester fees, and that to the migration, the original degree certificate, everything has been spiked up. You can see very well from 500 to 800. Even the bus fare also, it has spiked up. And where did this money go? Every month, every semester, we have been paying fees. So where did this money go? There has been some hidden agenda somewhere. Somebody is playing with the money that we have been paying, and somebody has been using that money in some pockets and some personal use. Do you agree with that?
Yes. Yes.
And do you think we don't have the right to say all these things?
No.
And that too, my dear friends, it is very saddening to see all this, that we have to demand our right each and every time we have to demand our right. And I've said, and I'll be mentioning this again, we are not against the EC meetings. We are only against the EC meeting that will be chaired by Shukla, and also that EC meeting. If you want to have the EC meeting, we should have it in Shillong, which is the headquarter. And that too, if that EC meeting should be chaired either by the Vice Chancellor or by any senior professor. That is the only thing that we want, because we know very well it is very important to have the EC meeting, but that too, we should be held not under the chairmanship of Shukla.
To any EC meeting, because we know EC meeting is necessary for promotion and proper function of the NEHU. So if there will be EC meeting, the administration won't work and there will be lots of problems. We are only opposed to EC meeting held in Delhi and under the chairman of Professor Shukla. And again, I would like all the students, please bear with us only this till 14 November. And let's say if the ministry agreed to our students' demands, then we can rightly move forward with a smooth function of exams. And again, I've seen in group also, many of you are saying exams. My dear friends, that degree that you will hold, it won't have any value. See, quality matters. If the ranking of university is low, what will you do with that degree? They'll say, you get lost. No one will care about your degree. Even if you got 9 points in GPA, your degree won't have value if the ranking of the central university is low. And we are not doing it for ourselves. Even we want to attend classes. Even we want to write exams. Even we are students. But we are here just for you, for the betterment of NEHU. So now, we'll march from here to ICSR, a student body. Thank you.
Ketua adalah ketua Dewan dan syukur dan terima kasih kepada